everyone, good afternoon. Today is Thursday, April 16. Thank you for clicking on our video. So if you've watched our last video, there was a snowstorm that has been forecasted for about a week now, and it happened yesterday, or it started yesterday, Wednesday, April 15. So overnight, almost a foot deep of snow fell. So the drive to work this morning was challenging, if I may say. Everyone was driving slow, a bunch of accidents here and there, and a lot of other cars too that weren't unable to move or got stuck in the snow, especially smaller cars or the ones that are front wheel drives. It's already the afternoon. I'm done with my work. I'm about to pick up my wife. We're on our way to her, and she works in a child care, which is about 20 minutes away from where I am, and her work is about 25 minutes away from our home. As you can see, the snow on the road itself has mostly melted, but there's still some sort of slush left from it, especially roads that are lesser driven on. But on the sides, you can still see quite a few snow. So my wife's already with me. Sun is out. That's good. Before going home, we're gonna pass by an expensive, for us it's expensive, a cookie shop that's very famous. We'll show you that in a bit. So we're here in West Hills again, West Hills Town Center, and this would be the famous cookie store that we're gonna be buying some treats for the kids, because they both stayed at home today due to the weather. My son obviously is commuting. Didn't want him to be out in this kind of weather. So that's the cookie store that we're gonna be buying some treats for the kids. Crumbl Cookies. And look how slushy it is. Snow is melted. And that's how slushy things are. For sure, thank you.
Looks better.
So this is what a Crumbl Cookie looks like now. Daughter, wife, and the little bro had theirs. So it's Thursday, April 16. It's leftover night. This is the vegetables that I cooked last night. I've already added some salt and paprika powder to it and olive oil. We're just giving it a quick heat here on the stove or in the pan, and it already looks good. It still has that crunch from being roasted, so we're gonna have this as our side dish for tonight's dinner. So the kids are still full. They just ate their Crumbl Cookies, so my wife and I will go ahead with the dinner. And tonight is leftover night. We're not gonna be cooking new meals. That's gonna be for tomorrow. We're gonna finish up those leftovers, like I said. So it's It's 7:26 and this is how it looks like. Neighbors have already shoveled their front, so I'm gonna be doing the same. So see ya. So he's reading the instructions. Yep.
There's a popcorn option right there.
Okay. He loves popcorn. Always wants one when we're watching movies. Hey everyone, happy Friday. It's Friday, April 17. Work is done. I've picked up my wife and we're on our way to kickstart our weekend to my wife's happy place. So we're on our way to my wife's happy place. Question is it a wellness center? Is it a beauty center where she can get her nails done or her hair done? Is it shopping? Is it a restaurant? Dessert craving? You'll find out in a bit. My wife's happy place is HomeSense. That's her addiction since we got our house towards the end of 2025. We go here almost, I don't know, on a weekly basis. And you can see that in the house that we have when we do our whole house tour. And she's just in Wonderland. So what's this gonna be? Centerpiece on our coffee table. But if it's that nice, I think it's gonna be worth it. Get it. So we're headed towards the checkout counter now. So we're done with HomeSense. We got some stuff. And we're heading to the Vietnamese restaurant beside it or next to it. Close to it. Gonna check the menus. My wife wanted some pho, so we're gonna see if probably get one as a takeout. It's Friday anyways. So that's the restaurant. It's lemongrass Vietnamese cuisine. Let's go order. Got some baguettes, or I don't know, they put in the menu it says baguettes, but it's actually Banh Mi. So we're gonna be trying how good this is. We're on our way home to our kids for Friday night. So here's the Banh Mi. That looks good. Yeah, it's sliced. Yeah. Half for you, half for me. So, just got home from Friday, April 17. We're gonna have corned beef for dinner. So there's dinner. It's gonna be corned beef. Onions are already there. That's our tomatoes. We're gonna use this to slice them quickly. And we're gonna add some garlic as well. So guys, this is the corned beef. That's gonna be the quick dinner for the kids tonight, Friday, April 17. My wife said it tastes good. Thank you for recognizing that, my wife. Actually, I just added here garlic, onions, and tomatoes. I didn't put anything at all, not even salt and pepper, no umami boost, because corned beef, as we all know, is already packed with sodium. So there's our corned beef for Friday night. And some leftovers. My wife is still cooking her pan-fried yampo. That's good. Like I said, it's 9, almost 10 p.m. But we have to prepare for tomorrow, so we're gonna be cooking our rice. And one of the hacks that I use is this tray. So, you know when you're trying to wash the rice before cooking, and then it's kind of difficult. Some of the rice gets wasted when you're draining the water, changing it once or twice or even 3 times before you achieve that clean rice feeling. So that's why I'm using this tray. So that's 10 cups of rice, uncooked. This rice cooker of ours is big enough. Make sure when you're buying your rice cooker, if ever you're going to be changing your rice cookers, make sure you read the box, because it says there 10 cups, but that's actually cooked. So that means you can only put 5 uncooked cups of rice, which is not enough for us. This one, like I said, is big enough for at least 4 to 5 days for the kids, maybe even a week. Still fresh, because the fridge is in the proper temperature. So look how easy and quick this would be. I just keep on washing the rice like this. No need to drain, because it's gonna get drained through this tray. There. That's your washed rice. We're just gonna let it drain. While it's draining, we're gonna get our rice, our water from the fridge, because this has a filter. So here's the water. I put 13 cups of fresh clean water for 10 cups of uncooked rice. Why? Because it's gonna be kept in the fridge for the next 4 to 5 days, and the fridge is kind of cold. Rice is gonna harden because of it being in the fridge for that number of days, and with more water in it, it's gonna minimize that hardening. It's not gonna be that hard, or it's not gonna be that frozen. I don't know what you call it. And look, just do a water clean on this. You need to put dishwashing liquid, because it's just unwashed rice, right? There's no grease on it, there's no oil, there's no fats in it. It's clean. We're gonna let it dry here. And there's the pork belly. We're gonna bake it at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about an hour. turning in the middle part.
I know.
So it's Saturday, April 18. We just got back from the eye checkup for my kids and my wife, and this is what we're doing. We got this yesterday in HomeSense. It's a ring toss game, just $14.99 if I'm not mistaken.
Oh, Jake, look!
Looks like this. Looks good.
Daddy, look, my first try.
Good job, mommy. Try again. Okay, close. Close. Okay. Not bad for our first try. And then on our way back home, we got some coolers, some Wendy's Frosty. So I'm gonna prepare lunch. There's my wife enjoying her Frosty. And as shown, this is our lunch. Lechon Kawali, or crispy pork belly. You guys hear that crunch? Not too fatty. Still crunchy. Did you guys hear that? So it's lunchtime. Like I said, crispy pork belly, or lechon kawali in Filipino, and some veggies on the side.
What's that drinking drink? Oh, this?
Aba, let me see. Hey Jake, eat.
If you could find me in this photo, I'll give you one there.
Buddy Burger! Bye, Cross Iron Mills! We're going home. IKEA! Sunday! You don't want IKEA for the meatballs for tonight?
We still have mashed potatoes.
Here in IKEA, almost at the end of Market Hall. So this is our IKEA haul for the day. It is actually bought from Beauclair, just beside IKEA here in Calgary. And the rest are from IKEA.